This week has been quite a busy week. As you can see, the object now changes position, it can move, but also so can the camera, which means that my input is now working, and so it's changing the camera position and moving the object, which I do by calculating the X, Y, and Z and adding it on to the model data. So then it's then set in the next position. I also, which I didn't realize for quite a while, had to change the vertex buffer to allow dynamic usage and allow write access. Otherwise it would not let me do that and copy new vertex positions into the buffer. I've also started looking at the collision research, so hopefully next week I can start implementing a collision class.